have my herbal teas. I love this brand. It's traditional medicinal, and it's a ginger and green tea. It's great anti-inflammatory. It's really good to just feel good and really let your kidneys work, and take it and while you relax. I love tea. I love a lot of teas. I bought this one that says positive energy, and it's made of tangerine, and it's also good. We have so many tea. This is the one that I bought. It's a Peruvian brand, and it's called Chancapiedra. And this is an herbal tea that I got when I got sick with my kidneys, and I went to the hospital and I found out that I had kidney stones. So instead of I know I'm so against my mom and everybody else that tells me to actually take medicine. I had this, and along with the pineapple, I'm so much better. But this is very good because it really, Chancapiedra means it really gets rid of the stones. It's like it bursts the stones, in the kidneys. And the one that I have also that I love and I drink every day is a turmeric spice tea. And this is from the brand Tea Well. And it's so good because this is a really good anti-inflammatory. And it actually, when you sip it from the first time, it makes you feel really good. So these are the teas that I normally use on my daily life, and they are so great: antioxidants, anti-inflammatories, make you feel good, actually calm you down, gives you positive energy, and you can actually have them at every time of the day. If you want more information about these teas, please message me. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please subscribe, like, and share with people that you think will benefit from this. Thank you so much.